Danielle Collasso, and I am singing The Turtle Dove. Right. Fare you well, my dear, I must be gone, and leave you for a while. If I roam away, I'll come back again, though I roam 10,000 miles, my dear. Though I roam 10,000 miles, so farewell, my bonny lad, so deep in love am I. But I never will prove false to the bonny lad I love, till the stars fall from the sky, my dear. Till the stars fall from the sky. The sea will never run dry, my dear, nor the rocks ever melt with the sun. But I never will prove false to the bonny lad I love, till the stars fall from the sky, till the stars fall from the sky. Oh, yonder does sit that little turtle dove, he does sit on yonder high tree, making a moan for the loss of his love, as I will do for thee, my dear, as I will do for thee. And that was me singing The Turtle Dove. Goodbye.